Welcome to Target USMLE. Let's look at the online video tutorial program from Target USMLE. I created this very easy self-study module called the 7 Easy Steps to CS. The 7 steps, if you systematically follow from step 1 to step 6, which is a video tutorial you could do at home, and then get assessed in step 7, that forms a complete module for getting you ready for step 2 CS. Step 1 is like the standard CS encounter. Step 2 is system-wise history taking. Step 3, again system-wise physical exam videos. All videos are under 4 minutes. And step 4 is the differential diagnosis. That's the most liked step among all my students. It's a unique way of approaching every case, every chief complaint. And then step 5 is a full 15-minute encounter of different systems, different standardized patients. Step 6 is the patient notes, how to write a good patient note that will get you to pass your ICE component. Once you've done all this self-study material at home at your own pace, you have 24/7 access. And each of these videos are very short clippings. They're not boring lectures of long hours. At the max, I think it's 15 minutes each video. So you can subscribe it for 15 days, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. It starts at $99. And once you've finished the step 6 and you think you are ready, then you can come for an assessment with me or any of the Target USMLE tutors and get yourself assessed by presenting a case where the MD will act as your SP, and we will make you type patient notes on share screen, and then we'll be able to assess you and tell you where you're missing the points and where you're wasting time, and we'll also critique you. We can kind of find out if you're thinking along the right lines. All we're trying is make you confident for step 2 CS. All of you are already doctors. You know what to do. But can you pull it off in 15 minutes under time pressure when the clock is ticking? That's what we make you ready for. So try our program. It's worked for almost a decade now, and we have many successful students. So check it out.